my little ones. Welcome back to e-learning class. Today I am here with your subject English. But in English, what we will do? Yes, today we will do reading. So today we are not going to write any new alphabet. We are just to say the alphabet with their sounds. Okay? So tell me, what are these? These are capital and small alphabet. So what we will do first? Yes, first we will say the alphabet. See children, if you want to learn alphabet nicely and remember for long time, then you have to speak it daily. Are you speaking? Before going to bed, I have told you, right? So first let's speak the alphabets A to Z. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Come on, you all have to speak. After O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? You don't have to sing the alphabet rhyme. A, B, C, D, that is rhyme. You have to speak the alphabet. Okay? Now, let's see the alphabet capital and small with sound that we are doing every time. Okay? Tell me, which alphabet is this? Yes, capital A, small a. A says, come on. Now you must remember, A. A says A. Capital B, small b. B says ba. Capital C, small c. C says ka. Capital D, small d. D says da. Capital E, small e. E says a. Capital F, small f. F says fa. Capital G, small g. G says ga. Capital H, small h. H says ha. Capital I, small I. I says, there are two sounds, right? I says I and I says E. Capital J, small j. J says ja. Capital K, small k. K says ka. Capital L, small l. L says la. Capital M, small m. M says ma. Capital N, small n. N says na. Capital O, small o. O says o. Capital P, small p. P says pa. Capital Q, small q. Q says qua. Capital R, small r. R says ra. Capital S, small s. S says sa. Capital T, small t. T says ta. Capital U, small u. U says U and U says a. Both sound are there. Capital V, small v. V says va. Capital W, small w. W says va. Capital X, small x. X says xa. Capital Y, small y. Y says ya. And last, capital Z, small z. Z says za. Okay, so children, you have to speak these letters every day. Now, let's revise the sound of alphabet that we have already learned in previous session. Okay, are you ready for that? See, which letter is this? Yes, letter R. Now, let's see the pictures related to R. R for rose. R for rabbit. R for ring, right? R for rose, R for rabbit, R for ring. And here, this is capital R, small r. What is the sound of R? R says ra. R says ra. Now, which letter is next? Come on, tell me. K. Now let's see the pictures. K for, which picture is this? Kite. Yes. K for kettle. K for king. K for kite. K for kettle. K for king. What is the sound of K? Ka. See, this is capital K, small k. Capital K, small k. There is difference, you can see. This one is big, and see, this slanting line is till bottom, but here you can see the slanting line is little smaller. Okay, so this is the difference between them, capital K and small k. Now let's see the sound. K says ka. K says ka. Now let's see the next letter. That is letter B. Very good. Now B for ball. B for boy. B for butterfly. Colorful insect, right? B for ball. B for boy. B for butterfly. See children, all these words start with letter B. And what is the sound of B? Ba. This is capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. B says ba. B says ba. Now children, these were the alphabet that we have already learned. Now today we will learn few more alphabets. Okay? So get ready for that. Let's see which one is this. A. You have learned, right? How to write letter A. And you must be remembering all the pictures related to letter A. But let's revise them one more time. A for, which vehicle is this? Aeroplane. Aeroplane is the fastest vehicle. Okay? A for aeroplane. A for, yes. A for ant. See, this ant is carrying one grain. Okay? A for ant. Ant is a very hard working insect. Okay? A for alligator. This is alligator. Where does alligator live? Alligator lives in the water, and it can also live on the land. Okay? A for alligator. Now next one is A for axe. See, this wood cutter is cutting wood with the help of axe. A for axe. Now this is capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. Now let's see the sound. A says a. A says a. Now next letter is D. See children? D for beautiful doll. D for, yes, let's see, duck. D for duck. D for doll. D for duck. D for dog. Dog is a domestic animal. D for dustbin. Okay, what is the use of dustbin? We throw garbage in the dustbin. Okay, to keep our house clean, to keep the place clean, we throw all the garbage or litters in the dustbin. So children, here capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. Now let's see the sound. D says da. D says da. So children, we have learned the alphabet of A and D. Now, which alphabet is this? G. Right, very good. G for girl. You can see a beautiful girl. G for girl. G for giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal and it lives in the jungle. G for girl. G for giraffe. G for grapes. Juicy, juicy, yummy, yummy grapes. So, children, G for, yes, G for gun. Favorite toy, right? G for gun, G for giraffe, G for crabs. This is capital G, small g. Capital G, small g. And G says ga. G says ga. See children, up till now only 2 or 3 children are sending me videos of these sounds. But you all have to send me, okay? How you have to do that I will show you. You have to just pick the alphabet A to Z first. After that I will give small and capital both alphabet in homework. You have to just pick, see here, capital R, small r. R says R. Like this you have to say, okay, and record the video and send me in homework. You all have to do, okay. See, capital R, small r. R says R. Capital K, small k. K says ka. Capital K, small k. K says ka. Capital B, small b. B says ba. Capital B, small b. B says ba. Capital A, small a. A says a. Capital A, small a. A says a. Capital D, small d. D says da. Capital D, small d. D says da. Capital G, small g. G says ga. Capital G, small g. G says ga. Like this way you have to speak and send me your video in homework. It is compulsory, okay, for all of you. You must send me your video of sound because I am not getting. Only 2-3 children are only sending, okay. So next time I want video from all of you. Okay, understood children? So children, today we have revised some alphabets and learn few more alphabet sound. Okay, so revise all the sounds nicely and record your video and send me in homework. Now we will meet in the next session. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.